part 2. Sorry, my iPod didn't work. It stopped working, but we're in the exact same places as we were. Well, kind of.
Okay, well, yeah.
Okay, ready?
I am. Ready?
Set, go.
Okay. I still haven't got this on.
Buzz!
Oh my god. Okay, well, Sarah won by a lot because I didn't even get my sheet on. So, congratulations, Sarah.
Thank you, Mom.
You get a hug from Mom.
Oh, is that a prize?
Yes, he is.
Okay,
well-
okay, wait. Once we have a question for you guys.
You guys.
Whoever answers it first in the contact us gets a special prize, whatever you guys want. Okay?
Okay.
Well,
In reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where did the baseball keep it in its lemonade? Where did the baseball keep its lemonade?
Once again, that's where did the baseball keep its
its
lemonade?
Woohoo!
To get
First person to answer gets the prize. Thank
Woo,
you.
thank
Till next
you.
time. Adios.
I'm Mo.
I'm Sarah.
And this is
Sarah
Sarah Mo.
Mo.